Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on the flashlight on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe from left to right on your watch's home screen to get to this menu. Scroll down and tap on flashlight. The watch's flashlight will turn on. If you swipe from right to left, then it will display a red and white flashing light. Swipe from left to right to turn off the flashlight. You can also get to the flashlight from the quick panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Then tap the flashlight icon. Again, swipe from left to right to turn off the flashlight. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.